just give us a beginner's kit. A beginner's kit with this amazing performance wear. Give us in 60 seconds a Hardik Pandya endorsed workout. चाहिए? Yeah. एकदम दिल का क्वेश्चन पूछा सबके.
In 60 seconds, so first of all, warm-up is very important. Everyone should do warm-up. Make sure that your body is ready. That's when you can push your barriers. Something, I have a, I'm going to take more than 60 seconds. I have a thing which has really helped me throughout my career and which was stayed when I was, I think, 16-year-old. When our body does not get tired, our mind gets tired. So many times in my life, the difference between where I was able to push my limits was always the fact that when my mind gets tired, I will tell my body to just push, because you will always have extra effort in your body. And the difference between if you do 20 and if I do 20, we are on the same level. But if I push to 25 and if I challenge my mindset, next time I'm going to do 25, next time I'm going to be 30. That's when I'm putting, getting little level up on that. So coming back to the point that it is very, very important to sometime train your mind as well, that your body has much more than what you can think. And that video stayed with me for so long that every time in my life when my trainer has told me to do 10 push-ups, I've always ended up doing 15. And that has pushed my limits. And I think slowly, everyone who wants to start the fitness journey, they should focus on that. Start pushing your barrier every single day, because human body is such a lovely creation by God that it will mold however you want to, however you want to have it. It's just that it just needs a little hard work. And coming back to the point of 60 seconds, this thing, it's very, very important that everyone focuses on leg, because chicken legs are not good. So we should do a lot of lunges, squats. You can put, I like pull-ups, push-ups, leg press, and something which really work on their glutes, which is, you can do leg press, which really works, and lunges. So make sure you look after, balance it out properly, and just work hard. Anything, just do something in gym, that would be good.
Spoken like a true fast bowler. No, all-rounder he is. But first, it comes bowling, he has to take care of the legs, the glutes and everything, and that's why you get speed. Let me ask you, Hardik, because 135 plus, 140, and I know you love bowling fast. When was it, when you were growing up, when you were playing cricket, when you knew that, this is getting serious, you've got the framework of bowling that quick and hitting the ball that far? When did you start loading up that fitness from a level of an aspiring cricketer to a state cricketer to then an international cricketer?
It's just that for me, I was really into fitness from start. So I don't know, many people don't know, but I think I'll just use this. For me, I never knew what fitness would do to me. But it's just that I felt it, that for me, I always wanted to be number one in everything which I do. So in a habit of that, I kept training when I was young a lot. I pushed myself a lot, ran a lot. So I had a very good, strong base. Obviously, there was not much knowledge about the body, not much knowledge about the fact that how do I increase my fitness. But as soon as, because my base was strong and I did the basics which you are supposed to do while training, helped me when I came to the higher level. I used to bowl, if I'm not wrong, 130s or higher 130s. I was able to go that 140 plus 142 by pushing. That's when I realized by 2017 onward, as soon as I started getting more into my body, more knowledge about it, and that's when I start pushing. And I think as soon as I start pushing, that's when my slowly, consistently, my graph kept getting up. Because as you mentioned, for me, fast bowling is quite entertaining because I can timid people. So when I bowl, I'm really a fast bowler. Like I really go into that mindset of how a general, quick, fast bowler is, who's there to kind of come and hit on your head. That stayed, and obviously with that fitness routine, joining in, body, getting much more stronger. And I think that's when I was able to push my limits and, get what I wanted.
Let me actually ask you at this point, what do you want to achieve from your own line, Hardik Pandya performance wear? Because I remember you telling me backstage that it's not just for people who want to get it because it's Hardik Pandya. You always are endorsing a very active lifestyle. You've seen the advantages of it. We've seen you do a lot of yoga as well. So what's your vision and mission? The end goal? I mean, maybe not the end goal, but the journey like. Do you want people just to take it up even if they've got no connect with maybe watching the sport or aspiring to be a sports person, just everyday fitness?
Yes, Sachin, that was the whole purpose for me to come out of this. Yes, this is about people loving and being passionate about their fitness, pushing their boundaries, wearing something which is cool as well. At the same point of time, you can get healthier as well in that. So, the journey, the outcome is just that as many people can wear it, and all my fans and everyone wear it, and even if you are not associated with the sport, we wanted to come up with something which really, where everyone feels comfortable to wear it. It's just not about just putting someone's name on it and just not having a comfortable product. What our goal was, at the same point of time, we want to look after nicheness, a really good product which everyone can afford, and at the same point of time, just making sure that even you are not associated with the sport, you just see the brand, you just see the product, and you get excited with it. So I hope.
So even for those who do yoga?
Yes, to anyone who's, I do yoga wearing this. So for me, it's about just being comfortable, because yoga is something which you really want to be comfortable and then do it in a very controlled space, and get better, open your mindset, go into a deep thinking. So even the ones who want to do yoga, someone who wants to run, someone who wants to gym, someone who wants to do CrossFit, someone who wants to play paddles,
everything.
Football, cricket, everyone can wear this, and they'll see me wearing it, so everyone will wear it.
Amazing. Just now that we're talking about runs, let me just ask you, a very popular thing is the yo-yo test, right? किया है किसी ने yo-yo? नहीं, सुनने वाला वो नहीं. Yo-yo, क्या नहीं? What's been your top yo-yo test score?
Ever?
Ever, and हाँ, ever से करते हैं? तो ऐसी achievement है, एक बार आएगी तो उसका दिखाने का.
Ever is 28.7. Sorry, 21.7.
21.7.
So after 22 and a half or 22 and 7, the test finishes. So I was just one level away.
If you just have, रहने दो यार, अपने क्या क्वेश्चन पूछने, अपने यो टेस्ट हम कैलकुलेट भी नहीं कर सकते. जहां से टेस्ट शुरू होता है उसके पहले हमारा टेस्ट खत्म हो जाता है. Do you enjoy being at the gym more, or do you now enjoy going out? Because I know you started running outdoors a lot. We see when you go on your training binges, you go for early morning trainings to stadiums and all of that. Do you enjoy closed workout spaces or open spaces?
See, for me, it's being fit and being healthy is a passion. So I really don't differentiate between if I have to train indoors or outdoor. I just want to train. And for me, obviously, gym is something which we all have to do. But for me, running is the most important part. For me, running gets the best out of my body. Running gets the best out of everyone, because that's the most healthiest thing which you can do for your body. It keeps your blood vessels and blood flow very fast because you kind of push it. So if still I have balance, I'll really like both. But if I still have to pick, I think running is tougher, much tougher. But I really enjoy it because the kind of satisfaction you can get after a run. Gym can give you that, but running can give you a lot of satisfaction in your life.
Hardik Pandya, you keep running. We're behind you.
Thank you.
We'll continue to be behind you, because when you run in the direction which only brings glory and happiness to so many fans. We're all very chuffed and very, very excited that this moment has come. Very happy for Hardik Pandya, very happy for Fan Code, and it's a great initiative. It's a win-win for both of them. Can we have a big round of applause for Hardik Pandya, for Fan Code Shop, for everyone who's been involved in this moment?